again. For those who don't know me, I'm Mary Burton, founder of Food Learners, a program with a mission to teach youth and families all about food, from growing it to cooking it. I will be teaching another series of super fun virtual cooking lessons as part of the Family Engagement Nights at Harrison Hill. We will be doing 4 one-hour-long cooking lessons at 6 p.m. on Tuesdays, February 9th and 23rd, and March 9th and 23rd. Families who participate will receive all of the food and cooking supplies needed for the lesson at no cost to them, and will get to follow along with me as I demonstrate live from my kitchen on how to make the recipes. The whole family is welcome to join, but we have found that these lessons are best suited for students in grades 3 and up who will be able to fully participate and do most of the cooking themselves. Space is limited to 5 households for this round, so please let Mr. Gore know as soon as possible if you're interested in joining us. I hope to see you soon.